click on that, and there you go. Straight away, it has given me my PS Plus membership code. So this is going to give me free PS Plus. If you don't know who I am, guys, I specialize in saving you guys money via tons of different methods. Today, guys, I've discovered the easiest and best method of getting PS Plus for free. Yeah, this is super easy, guys. This is going to get you a free PS Plus membership. So this is going to save you tons of money. As you know, the PS Plus membership is a monthly subscription and it's pretty expensive. But I've managed to find a method of getting you a digital code that you can redeem in the PSN store. So this is a PSN code, and when you redeem it, it's going to credit you a completely free PS Plus membership. I believe it's for 12 months, but we will check that. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. Okay then, guys, without further delay, let's show you how to get your free PS Plus membership. So you need to use your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone, and you need to open up the internet and go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you type it exactly, not quite like that, Wavy Coupons. So just make sure you spell it correctly, guys, but you need to go to wavycoupons.com. This website here, basically, guys, this is an awesome website. You can see as I'm scrolling down, they have so many different pages, so you can even have a browse through and see what else tickles your fancy. But if you go to the search bar and just type in PlayStation, you need to look for this page here that says PSN gift card codes and coupons. So open that page up. So just navigate your way to this page on Wavy Coupons. And when you scroll down, you can see there is a few different options you can choose from. There is obviously a gift card code, there's free games, and also the free 12-month PS Plus membership, which is the code that I'm focusing on in this video. So click on show coupon, and this is going to pop up, guys, free 12-month PS Plus, and you can see we need to unlock the full coupon. These are pretty valuable codes. Obviously PS Plus is pretty expensive, so this just prevents basically someone stealing all of the codes to turn a profit. So tap unlock code, and let's kickstart the process of getting you your free PS Plus membership. Now, there is a short process to get your PS Plus. As you can see, this is the PS Code Unlocker page, which is pretty normal. You may have seen something like this before, but if you haven't, it's pretty easy. You just need to complete 2 of the offers below. They're all completely free, and these offers pretty much protect the codes. So you just need to complete 2 of them, and you can see at the bottom you will receive your PSN codes once completed. So you can see I have a list of tasks ranging from free games or applications that I can download and just follow the instructions. Alternatively, I can answer some questions within these surveys and input a email. So choose 2 of these and read the description, guys, and you have to complete 2. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll pause the video and then come back and we can see if it gives me my PS Plus code. I'll see you in probably around 5 minutes. Okay then, guys, so I just spent around 5 to 10 minutes just completing 2 of the tasks on this page. I know it's annoying, guys, having to do this, but I think it's worth it considering what we're getting. Obviously the free PS Plus is pretty cool. So anyway, now I've fully completed 2 of these, so I'm going to press the tabs button on my phone, and if you've done everything correctly following all of the instructions, you should see this PSN coupons tab down here. Click on that, and there you go. Straight away, it has given me my PS Plus membership code. So this is going to give me free PS Plus, and I can then redeem this on the PlayStation or on the website itself, and it's going to credit me a 12-month subscription. So I'm going to be using this code in a few minutes. So you can try this, but it's going to be probably invalid by the time this video is uploaded. So go to Wavy Coupons and get your free PS Plus. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, go ahead, smash that like button, leave a comment below, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.